Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix fail to verify identity Prizepicks. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is find out the reason why you are having the verification issues. So once you go on your browser and then head over to prizepicks.com help center /verification, you'll be landing on this page, and now here you can find out why you are having the verification issues. For example, the verification issue pops up if you haven't submitted the government issue ID such as driver's license or a passport. Now once you have submitted this government issue ID, what you need to do is you'll be notified with one of the following status like verified. You'll receive a notification that says verification successful. You'll also be provided a link to deposit where you can add funds to your account and start playing Prizepicks. We submit ID. The most common reason for this is a blurry picture, improper lighting, or invalid ID like a library card or debit card. Placed in a review or verification, specialist will review your account information further. Denied. If you are denied, you will unfortunately not be able to play on Prizepicks. Prizepicks reserves the right to deny verification to anyone at its sole discretion for security reasons. Once you have found out the reason, just scroll down, and once you do that, here onto the help center you'll find the option that says live support. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you'll find the option once again to tap on live support or click on, and then there you'll find the option that says chat now. Simply click on it and you'll find this little chat box pop up. Now all you gotta do is just simply type in the message to the live chat by saying please help me with the verification issue, and then they will provide you with the detailed instructions that you should follow, and be ready to provide personal information like your identity number, your bank account number, and so on. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.